Hi, I'm Peter Hogan. I've been a property investor for over 33 years and I want to tell you something that I'm betting you don't even know could happen. You can get as much land and property as you want completely legally and completely free. It won't cost you a penny. How can you do that? Because there's a law in this country, and this law is called the law of adverse possession, and it states that anybody, if they can find empty or abandoned land or property, and goodness knows there's plenty of that around, then you can legally claim it as your very own, free and legally. And I know because I've got around £30 million worth of land and property that didn't cost me a dime. You can do the same. Anybody can do it. It's the law of the land, it's a fair and it's a just law, and the High Court in London says it's people's right to do this. So you can go out and you can do it. You want to know more? Well look, I've written a book on the subject and you can get this book completely free. Just copy this link into your browser or click on the link in the copy below and you can get my book completely free. You can read all about how you can become a multimillionaire for free. Anybody can do it. It's not a scam, it's not a joke, it's a law. Google it and you'll find out. So go on, visit down there now and let me show you how you can get as much land and property as you want completely free and completely legally.